morning from Peru. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, please make sure to share and subscribe. And today I am at a very famous location in Peru. I know you might have guessed it already. So I am currently in Machu Picchu, a very famous tourism town. Look at the place here, and I'm staying right in this hostel. Let me show you. So this is the place where I'm staying, and the name of the place is this one. So we booked this place like on Airbnb, $35 or $40 for 3 days, so quite good. So guys, let's start this vlog. And I got my ticket yesterday at the counter. I didn't pre-booked, but I will suggest if you travel with plan, you should book the ticket advance 2 or 3 months because it gets sold out. But apparently I was so lucky that yesterday there was no crowd at all. Otherwise you can check TikTok or Instagram videos. This town is usually crowded, like there is 5 hours of crowd to buy one ticket. But apparently yesterday there was not even one person in the queue. So like I got ticket in 10 seconds. And right now the town is not even so crowded. You see, it's like not crowded at all. And this is like the train lane, which is a very touristic train activity to do right in front of the mountain. So you can book this train from Cusco, and there is one more town from O, I'll write on the screen. And it's like train is like one way $80 something, 80 or 90, which is quite expensive. So I took the bus route and I walked 10 kilometers. So yeah, that was about it. And let's go have some breakfast before we go to Machu Picchu exactly. Let me see if there is something vegetarian. So guys, this is our breakfast, and this is like literally bread with cheese, that's it, and juice and hot chocolate. So this is the train that came right now, and soon we have to take like the bus to Machu Picchu. I'm not going to walk, even though it's only 3 kilometers something from this town, but I have no energy to walk, I swear to God. So we are going to take the bus, and I'm actually getting late. I have to reach there by 1 p.m. so let's go very fast actually. So guys, we just took the bus ticket. It's like $22 to go and come back. And actually okay, thank you. So guys, this is our bus ticket to go and come back. We paid like $22 in this office, so it's like on the street. I think it's okay to go and come back. $22 in a tourist area, not bad. So let's go. तो यार हम लोग एंट्रेंस पे पहुंच गए हैं, एंड मैं लिटरली ना बड़े टाइम बाद इतना ज़्यादा कोई टूरिस्ट एक्टिविटी करने जा रही हूँ। लाइक बहुत टाइम बाद भाई। मैंने साउथ अफ्रीका में भी मोस्टली स्किप कर दिया था, बट मैं यहाँ नहीं स्किप कर पाई भाई। आ गया मुँह चक के। इवन तो मैं अकेले आई हूँ, आई एम नॉट विद एनी वन, बट स्टिल भाई आप लोग ये देखिए कितना भीड़ है। मतलब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट फिर भी ये ताजमहल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है। इट गिव्स द वाइब ऑफ लाइक हाउ टूरिस्ट गो टू विजिट ताजमहल इन इंडिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट, like very similar vibes. Bro, this is crazy. I think we have to go like this side. मेरे को हंसी भी आ रही है, बट चलते हैं. So guys, we are starting the walk, and our is circuit 2. So look at this. There are like so many ways to walk around. You can go from circuit 3, 2, and then that side is like 1. And it's like 15 to 20 minutes of walking these stairs, so not so far. The most difficult part is to reach this place, but to climb the stair is very short. Quite good भाई। पीछे के नज़ारे देखिए, यहाँ के पहाड़ों का लैंडस्केप बहुत अलग है। मतलब इधर के पहाड़ देखिए भाई, और आज बहुत सारे लोग आ रखे हैं। मोस्टली लोग भाई ग्रुप में हैं, सो मेरे से एक टूर गाइड पूछता कि आप अकेले हो, मैंने कहा हाँ भाई अकेले हूँ। कहता सोलो उनो, मैंने बोला यस। फिर कहता कि ऊपर आपको ना फ़ोटो चाहिए होगी अपनी, तो ऊपर भी गाइड है, वो आपकी फ़ोटो ले लेंगे। मैंने कहा ठीक है भाई बढ़िया। आगे चले जा रहे हैं, बट मेरे को ना सामने देखने से ज़्यादा पीछे के नज़ारे बहुत मस्त लग रहे हैं। तो भाई ये पहाड़ बहुत सुंदर है एंड रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ लेसोथो। These mountains are so similar to Lesotho. Wow. Like 1 month ago I was in Lesotho, so it's very similar. Guys, look at these. Wow. आप लोगों को याद होगा ऐसे ही पहाड़ थे और उसके बीच से वाटरफॉल जा रहा था. So I just missed right now Semon Kong waterfall in Lesotho. Exactly that. So guys, we finally made it to Machu Picchu. Look behind me, what a beautiful architecture made by Inca tribe of South America. तो पहले इस ट्राइब के बारे में मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देती हूँ. ये एक हाईलैंड की ट्राइब थी, बट लेटर दे कॉन्कर्ड फ्रॉम कोलंबिया अंटिल चिले. सो Inca people made this architecture, and this architecture is from 15th century, so it's not so old. और भाई इसका जो कंस्ट्रक्शन जब हो रहा था तो इन पत्थर को इस तरीके से काटा था कि भाई इसमें इस टाइम जो नीचे आर्किटेक्चर देख रहे हो आप कि एक छुरी भी अंदर नहीं जा सकती. मतलब जो पत्थर एक दूसरे के साथ लगे हुए हैं वो इतने प्रिसाइज हैं कि भाई उसके अंदर कोई पतली सी तीली भी नहीं जा सकती है. तो ये भाई इस आर्किटेक्चर की खासियत है. दूसरी बात यह है कि भाई ये अर्थक्वेक को झेल सकती है. सो इवन इफ़ द अर्थक्वेक गेट्स इनटू दिस प्लेस इट वोंट कोलैप्स. सो सॉइल इरोजन, अर्थक्वेक, इन सब से भी रेजिस्टेंट है. और जो इनका के लोकल लोग थे वो यहाँ पे आसपास उन्होंने बहुत फार्मिंग भी करी हुई है. तो ये जो पूरा माउंटेनियस रीजन आप देख रहे हो ये एक बहुत कल्चरल इलाका है, ये बोल सकते हैं. एंड ज़्यादा पुराना आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, सिर्फ 15th सेंचुरी का है, बट फिर भी भाई बहुत फेमस है पूरी दुनिया में. एंड वन ऑफ द लास्ट रिमेन्स इन साउथ अमेरिका. देर आर सम मोर टेम्पल्स इन पेरू एंड सम इन ग्वाटेमाला, मेक्सिको ऑल्सो, बट ये आर्किटेक्चर बहुत फेमस है. सो लुक एट दिस प्लेस. भाई ये बहुत टूरिस्टिक एक्टिविटी करी है मैंने. दिस इज़ वेरी फेमस, बट आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ इट. It's not so crowded today also, so I think I'm okay. Maybe if it was like more crowded I would be pissed off. So these are some few facts about Machu Picchu. Let's go and explore more. It's okay. सो गाइज़ अभी तक हम लोग हाइक कर रहे थे एंड अब फाइनली हम लोग आर्किटेक्चर के पास जा रहे हैं. सो फाइनली आफ्टर टेकिंग लॉट्स ऑफ फोटोज वी आर गोइंग टू सी द आर्किटेक्चर. लाइक वी आर गोइंग सो क्लोज. सो लेट्स गो. So guys, we are finally going down and researchers have found some skeletons, some mummies in this area. So just like Egypt, even in Peru they used to have culture of keeping mummies. Now really we cannot say which one is old, the one in Papua New Guinea, the one in Egypt, the one in India, or the one in Peru. Who knows? So yeah, that's about it. Let's go and explore down there. And the one in Indonesia also. In Indonesia they are still doing the mummy. Like that one is like the living culture of mummies in Indonesia. I think in Peru, Egypt, it's gone already. So Papua, we will find out once we reach that they still do or not. But Indonesia surely. Of Machu Picchu, I don't know which area they say that you cannot even put the knife inside the rocks, because these sites you can clearly. It's not so precise, but maybe there will be special area where you cannot put the knife. Like you can easily put it this side also. Even there is a big hole right here. Someone told me that this site is reconstructed also again, so of course renovation, it might be destroyed since so many years. Hello. She took so many of my photos. Gracias. Nice. So guys, this is one of the places that we entered inside, and it's called like temple area. But in Peru now most of the people are like Christians, so they follow Jesus, and these temples are not more functioning anymore, so it's like historical temple. But they debate also like it was a kingdom or a complete religious place. It's like not 100% sure. बढ़िया भाई, ये देखिए आप लोग, कुछ ऐसे नज़ारे हैं. ऑलमोस्ट टूर ख़त्म होने वाला है. बादल बहुत सुंदर बन रखे हैं एंड या ठीक है, मतलब यार पहाड़ी आर्किटेक्चर है, पत्थर से सब कुछ बना हुआ है. आज रश कम था तो मज़ा आया, बट पता नहीं अब मैं क्या बोलूँ कि आने का फ़ायदा है कि नहीं. बट सुंदर है भाई जगह बहुत. अगर रश कम है तो बहुत सुंदर जगह है. अगर दिन में 1000-2000 लोग आ रखे हैं तो मुश्किल है, फिर दिक्कत है. बढ़िया.
Y allá arriba también de esa montaña se han caído personas.
Don't stop, continue. So we should continue. भाई एक गाइड ताली मार रहे हैं पीछे देखे, एंड आवाज़ गूंज रही है यहाँ पे. सो ही इज़ क्लैपिंग एंड देयर इज़ लाइक इको. Guys, look at this place, man. It's so green. And strangely, Machu Picchu is much warmer than Cusco. Cusco was very cold. Bro, this is much warm. Today I'm happy. No cold. भाई हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट एग्ज़िट पे पहुंच चुके हैं एंड अच्छा था ट्रिप. बाकी मैं आप लोगों से माचू पिचू के टाउन में चल के बात करती हूँ स्नैक्स या डिनर के टाइम. ऑलमोस्ट वी आर क्लोज टू एग्ज़िट. सो गुड. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से. इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी हैव ऑनलाइन टिकट, 1 night is enough in this town. If you don't have a ticket, you need 2 or 3 days just in case. And you can do it alone. You don't have to book a tour. I did it alone, so you can take the guidance via my video how to come here alone. Usually I like to go everywhere alone, man. Only if I'm going to the island I need somebody because I cannot swim, or I'm going for river rafting, or if it's a very crazy adventure, if I'm going for safari, I need a guide or a tour. But most of the things in my life I like to do alone. So we came here alone and it's possible, it's easy. And now I'm thinking, should I book $80 train ticket back to Cusco, or should I walk 10 kilometer again? I'm thinking about it. Let's see. Today is my last day in Machu Picchu. Like, I'm about to exit this town. So before we end this video, let me explain you how you can reach Machu Picchu. When you are reading about it for the first time, you know it can be a lot, like lot of information, different kind of stuff. So there are basically 2 ways. Okay, either you take a train, which is like $80 or $90 from Ollantaytambo, something like that kind of name, the town, or you take a bus from Cusco to Hydroelectronica, which is like 16 or $18 only for the bus, and then you walk 10 kilometer to reach this town, and from here you have to pay again for the bus to reach Machu Picchu the next day. So either you can take a train from Olitambo, something like that town, to this place, Machu Picchu town, or you take bus for much cheaper, like just $16. And today I am about to walk now again 10 kilometers. Whoa, I will be dead. But actually I had not a lot going on in my life, like I'm free right now, so I was like, okay, let me walk, why not? So this was Aguas Calientes, the nearest town to Machu Picchu, and now we go towards Hydroelectronica. Let's go. So guys, I'm hiking around this mountain area, and there is a one small cafe. So we took some orange juice because I didn't had breakfast yet. So but sandwich and that kind of full breakfast I'll eat later, not right now. At least I want to finish half of the way before I get lazy. So yeah, else I won't be able to walk, I swear to God. So guys, I started to walk again, and let me show you the view that we use to do this trek. Look at this place, man, how green it is, and there is like river flowing right across there. Like such a beautiful walk. The only thing is, if it was even 5 kilometer it would be good. It's like 10 kilometer, which is a lot for me. I'm not really a big fan of mountain hike and all those things, but this is okay because most of the journey is like just straight walking across the railway track between the mountains, so somehow it's fine. Crazy. And then there are some cafes in between, if you're hungry you can eat and stuff like that, so quite great. Let's keep walking, guys, before we stop again for breakfast. Yo.